Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm just going to sit down and get ready. I'm going to do this makeup look. Whenever I don't have an idea for a video, I'm just going to do a get ready with me because that's when I get a chance to catch up with you guys and talk. And it seems like you guys like those videos. So whenever I don't have a good idea for a video, I'm just going to sit down and do get ready with me. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look and talk and just hang out for a while, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. I wanted to show you what I put on my face today. I put this on my face as my primer. This is actually like a moisturizer, but I used it as my primer today because I didn't put any kind of lotion or any moisturizer on my face because look what's happening here. I have contact dermatitis. This is so strange, but somehow me and my mom got this at the same time. I don't know. We all of a sudden just popped up with it, and I've been using some of her prescription cream on it to try to get rid of it. It's basically like these little pustule bumps that are clustering right around my mouth area, and I had to use her stuff for it, and I haven't been using any moisturizer or anything she told me not to, and it's really helping it. But anyway, I'm going to go in with my new shade, my summer shade of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I ended up getting light beige. I played around with a few shades on the back of my hand. And that was the one that I came up with, was light beige. And we'll see how it does, because this is the first time using it. And the porcelain shade just wasn't cutting it for summertime. I was getting too different. I was going to try to mix it with something, but I actually just ran out. This is the first foundation that I've actually been through the entire bottle of, which I'm very shocked over and I'm very happy about. That just lets me know that, hey, this was the right foundation for me. I've gone through lots of foundations. I have about 20 of them in my drawer, and I just can't find anything that I like better than Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's a medium coverage, so it takes about 3 pumps to get a full coverage, but you can build it up to a full coverage. And it if you leave it without powder, it'll look nice and dewy like it does right now. But if you set it down with a loose powder, it will be matte and it will stay all day. I love it. I washed all my brushes yesterday, and I hope that I didn't leave soap in them, because I washed my beauty blender with dish soap and I can smell it a little bit. So I hope today I don't get really irritated. I'm going to build up over this area and just kind of bring it down just a little bit. I tried to get as perfectly as I could to my tan skin, so I didn't have to bring it down. So that looks so good. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the Naked Skin Concealer. And this is a really white shade, so we're going to have some Kim Kardashian under eyes today. But it is what it is. I don't have a concealer that's not light. I don't know. I mean, I do, but it's still... I have a concealer that's not white, but it is for concealing bumps, so it's actually too dark to use as an under eye concealer. Okay, so I was talking to you last time about my anxiety issues. I'm still having them, not as often, but a lot, because ever since I got that stomach virus and I got real sick, that's when they really started getting bad. And now anytime I don't feel good after I eat, I have anxiety about getting home and feeling better, and I drink Pepto and stuff. So that I've been doing that. But I have been going to the gym with my son. I joined Planet Fitness so I could tan there, and now I've actually been going there because he wanted to work out, and he loved it because he works out at home anyway, and he goes to mixed martial arts twice a week, which he's going to start going more now because his coach really thinks that he could have a career as a fighter. And so I'm really going to be focused on trying to help him build that. And that's going to be a huge part of my life, just making sure that he is like as equipped he can be. And like his coach was like you need to build up your social media accounts and like really get yourself out there, because he is a really good fighter. So we shall see what the future holds for him, and that will determine a lot of my future as well. So it's a big deal, and we'll see, you know, how it goes. But that's all he thinks about 24 hours a day is fighting. I mean, like, not fighting people, but like, you know, martial arts. So this is the powder that I'm using now for like setting my face. I used it the other day and it worked really, really good. It's the Coty airspun, and you can get it from like Walmart. And I just really liked it. It worked so well with this foundation. It lasted for a lifetime. So I'm going to keep on using it, and we're going to see how it goes. I will say that this smells like my grandma's house. Like, I mean, it's got like that old lady smell. So if you're ever bothered by smells, you might not like this, because it's like, I usually don't use fragrant powders or anything. I'm going to set this too because I get oily on my chin. But I liked it so much and my face didn't break out that I'm like, okay. Okay, now we're nice and set. Let's go ahead and jump. Look, I'm going to put my brows on real quick. So I probably should have shot this like the next day after I got my hair done, but I just had a few minutes today to be able to sit down, and I just washed all my brushes and cleaned out everything in my beauty room, and I wanted to just sit down and do this real quick. It seems like you guys watch my get ready with me's more than anything, which is surprising because most of the time smaller YouTubers, their get ready with me's, the long ones, people don't seem to want to watch those because they don't really want to stay around that long, but you guys are wanting to stay around for my get ready with me's, which is very sweet. Y'all would be really proud of me because I've been going to the gym, and like going to the gym with my son, it makes it so much fun. Like it's a lot of fun. And so I don't even mind like going, and it kicks my ass too. Like I run on the treadmill, and I haven't done that in a long, long time, and so it's rough. Okay, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer. This is where I'm going with everything today. This is the Benefit Cheek Parade. It's got the Hoola bronzer, and it's got some blushes. And I like this shade right here because it's like almost like a pink highlight. So I'm going to top my blush with that. And we're going to see how this palette works. As you can see, I've had it for a while, but I haven't used it. So I don't know. I already have a Hoola bronzer, so it's like I just don't pull for this one. So let's just go ahead and bronze this up. I've got so many days off right here. I worked last week on Tuesday, or I worked Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I was off Sunday, Monday, and I worked Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And so this week I don't go back until Thursday. And so I have like 7 days off, which is great. I'm really digging this warmer weather. It just makes me want to go outside more. You know, like I don't want to go outside if it's cold. I washed this brush yesterday and it's shedding everywhere. I don't know if I told y'all, but I bought my son a truck. I went, like, it took a good solid week, and I think that had a lot to do with like my anxiety too. Is I like was just looking because I'm ready to get it done. Like I'm one of them people, like once I like have something I want to do, then I work like so hard to get it done. And so I really wanted to get his truck here so he could go ahead and start driving it, and you know, like he would be comfortable with it by the time he turned 16. And so that's what I was doing, like when all that anxiety was getting it at its strongest. And that, but I ended up getting him like an older truck. It's actually like a 1993 F-150. It's red, and they put like a new lift kit on it, so it's really loud and jacked up. It sits like high up in the air, and it's super loud. It's like such a man truck. And so it's really cute though. Alright, now I'm going in with this California blush. And I'm just putting that right here on my cheek. I'm going to try to keep it away from my under eye. I saw my last couple videos, I was getting a little bit too carried away with the blush like close to my under eye. And so I'm going to try to keep it away from there. And keep it like more where the bronzer is. That's how I like to do it. And I don't know why. I guess I was just like getting a little crazy with it. But now I'm going to put that Rockateur highlighted blush right over top of this. Just to give it a little sheen. Yeah, that's pretty. It's very subtle. So if you want something strong, I'm going to put this across my nose to make it look like I'm flushed a little bit. Okay, now for eyes, I'm going to use the Bad Habit Athena palette. This is what this palette looks like. You've seen me use this before, and I just like these pinky shades on me. I don't know. It makes me feel super girly and summery. So I'm going to go into this like little peach shade. I'm not really doing much to my eyes today because I've been going kind of light-handed with my eyeshadow lately. Almost like hardly even wearing it, unless I'm doing like a video or something. Because, I don't know, I've not been wearing makeup as much. Oh, that was another thing I was going to ask you guys. Look, I'm thinking about using my Sony 5100 camera to start doing vlogs. Would you guys want to see some vlogs? I don't really have that interesting of a life. But if you want to see what my life is like, then I will do some vlogs. I'm definitely not starting another channel for it or anything like that. If you want to see a few vlogs in between makeup videos, I'm trying not to buy as much makeup lately, and so I don't really have anything new to, review or show you because I don't need to spend that money on it. And I'm trying to use products that I already own because I own a lot. And so somebody wanted to see like my makeup collection, and if I get my vlog camera right and I get it set up correctly, I will definitely be able to do that. I just haven't done it yet because my camera is my Canon 70D camera, and so I have that perfectly set up. I never take that down. It stays in the same exact spot, and if I mess with the placement of it, it messes with my lighting and it messes with my life, and I just can't. So I haven't done my makeup storage thing because I haven't wanted to move my camera. And so now I'm willing to use my Sony camera, and if I can play with it and get it right. Because I really want to do some vlogs. I want to show you like what life looks like around here, what the environment is like around like Eastern North Carolina and stuff. So you can like see where we go work out. You can see like what we, where we go, what we like to eat and things like that. I don't know, I'm really more into like looking at people's lives now because makeup is just getting like, for me, I'm older and summer's coming and it's hot and I'm having these skin problems. I just don't like to be, for one thing, I don't like to be looking made up all the time. Like I just don't, looking like perfect all the time I'm just over it. And so I'm just not doing it. And you'll definitely see in the summertime, I just don't care as much at all about how I look because it's more important to be out living life in the summertime. And so I just don't want to spend a lot of time in the house. And so I don't want to sit here for an hour and have to get ready. I just want to go. And then you get sweaty and all that, and you know how it goes. I mean, we live very close to the beach, so if you want to see our beach too, like, I will vlog our beach trips. Like, I'll do a couple of those, and you might see me a little wasted, but I mean, I do like to drink on the weekends at the beach. But if you want to see what our beaches look like, I'll be glad to do something like that. I don't know, I'm kind of changing a little bit. I'm kind of, before I didn't want to vlog, and now I'm kind of like, maybe. I'll see how easy it is too, because that's one thing that's a little intimidating about vlogging, is I don't know how easy it is to ride around with my camera. I just don't know how that's going to go. And we'll see. But I will definitely do them if you guys want to see them. I'll try. We'll definitely try it. Alright, what color do I want to use on? I'll use this pinky shade. Okay, I'm going to go in and lightly do my lower lash line. I really don't want to go too crazy on it, because I've been seeing lately that I like it where it's not as dark. I just think I don't know, it's just too dramatic if you put too much on your lower lash line, and I don't want to be that dramatic during the day. It's so weird, like, sitting back here to do my makeup. Like, usually I do my eye makeup very close to my face, and it's so strange, like, sitting this far back. Okay, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Oh, no, this is not Carbon Black. This is just original, because I bought the wrong package. And so I got to use this up before I can buy another one. I really like high-end makeup better than drugstore makeup. So I like my Too Faced better than Sex Mascara better than this one. But I got to start, like, venturing out and using things that I bought that I don't tend to go for. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips with this Marc Jacobs lip liner. This is in Primrose. As you can guys see, my lip is still weird right here from the Juvederm. This month will be a year since I had Juvederm placed. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Naked Dolly lipstick right here. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm so very thankful for all the friends that I have made on YouTube. It just seems like we get to know each other, and it feels really good to, like, have friends that are into the same kind of stuff you are. And so I appreciate all your support, and I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.